We have a Frenchie, Walter, and even though he's pretty small, he is quite an aggressive chewer. So I saw this giant femur bone that I was like, I'm going to get this for him. I did not quite realize how big this bone actually is. He clearly, as soon as I pulled this out of the box, he's been sniffing it. He's been licking this plastic. I just feel like I have to put him out of his misery and have him try it. So as I said, yes, it is a femur bone. I honestly have no idea how he's going to hold this and carry it. But again, he has destroyed everything we've ever got him. So this is going to be perfect for him. It is rawhide free, which is really important because we know how we are not fans of that. And this is definitely going to be an outside bone. As you can see, there's little pieces falling apart. But honestly, this is going to be so great for his teeth. And it will stop him from chewing on anything else. I am excited. Look at him go. He doesn't know what to do. It's like, do I pick up the small pieces? Do I chew the bone? Here you go, bud. What you can do? He's like, put it on the floor for me. There we go. He's going for the small pieces on the side. This thing is awesome.